All right. I might bring this home and bring this thing back to life. T-tops. I guess somebody was trying to get the console out of it. Still got solid floor, solid trunk. Solid body too. All the clear is peeling. Some blistering on the back. Very clean though. I stopped trying to buy this car 15 years ago, Sean. They was just putting a brand new motor in there when I tried to buy it. They said they drove it around the block and they put about 6 miles on it. Broke it in and parked it here and never moved it again. And it's the rocket motor. Holy shit. It's the rocket motor in here, Sean. You hear me?
Yeah.
What there? Are you kidding me?